Hello and welcome to another guide from RepairPartsPlus. You're probably thinking, can I do it? With our kits, you know what to do at every step. All you need is patience and a steady hand. Every repair, it can be broken down into a few steps that, while tedious, are fairly easy to complete. This is the first step. Read the quick start guide and review the YouTube playlist or video guide library on our website. I suggest watching 2 or more videos to familiarize yourself with any model-specific stuff. So our tools are arranged here from left to right, with your first tool, the easy opener, being first. Follow the instructions from the video to open the device. This process is easier if a hairdryer or heat gun is used to loosen the adhesive. Try not to get too close to the screen. Removing the screen is always going to be the most time-consuming part of the repair. Just take it slow and you should get it done in no time. You're going to run the easy opener tool around the edges of the device. There's a rim on the frame about 2 millimeters under the gap you're separating. Do not use a razor blade. It's thin, provided by some of our competitors, but it may cause severe damage, mostly just because you can cut through any cables, wiring, do damage to interior parts much more easily, whereas our easy opener is not sharp and it's blunted, obviously. Um, but yeah, as you go through, separate the screen and disconnect the battery and the LCD cables, and go on from there through the video. The first step that you need to do is getting out your quick start guide. This is going to show you where to start, what tools do what, and it's going to give you an overall sense of what you need to do for your repair. Now that you have your workspace set up like so, this is the order in which you will use your tools. Our first tool here is the Easy Opener tool. This is the one that you're going to use to open the device, and these are the things that you're going to use to hold it open once you've got that initial opening. Now, some models may require you to remove 2 small screws down here at the home button. This particular one does not. So now that you've separated your screen utilizing our Easy Opener tool here, what we're going to do is you're going to gently have your pry picks around the corners and just, if you're having any issues, use a warm blow dryer or a heat gun and just loosen up the adhesive on the edges here. And all you have to do after that is make sure you open it in the right direction, which varies per model, and boom, there you have it. This device should be used for all cables and wires, and the way that you utilize it is either like that or like this, just to disconnect cables. Ladies and gentlemen, I've just removed this right here, 2 little screws connecting it there. This is what covers the battery and all of the LCD connections right here. And so you're going to do this step first. Then remove the LCD right here. Boom, boom, boom. And we're on to the next step. Now that you have the LCD separated and the battery disconnected, simply reconnect/replace the new LCD, digitizer, or battery, and test it by reconnecting the battery and turning the device on. This should power up your LCD and allow you to test your device. If the item does not work, run through our troubleshooting guide, document it, and contact customer service for a free replacement on your defective part.